How many of you have seen our school turns into a water park like the heavy rains like typhoon? I'm Axel Vitor, and let's talk about the flood in Anahasa. I really hate flood on the roads. As it was walking to school, I saw the streets were flooded and it was hard to get through. The water was up to my knee and I had to be careful not to slip and fall. When I finally made it to school, I was relieved, but the smell of the flood was overwhelming. It was like a mix of seaweed, trash, and mud. I could smell it everywhere, plus the noise out there since the road is in our school building side and it was hard to focus on my classes. But despite this, we put patience for this kind of experience and we made it through the day. The flood is caused by the non-stop rain, blocked drainage, and typhoon causing water terraces to getting flooded. Classrooms on the ground floor, especially grade 8 and grade 9, were quickly submerged, turning parts of Anahasa into a water park and forcing us all to scramble for the dry spot. This affects not only the student but also the teachers. Flood in our school are far more than the simple water inconvenience. Some students that I asked, they confirm that it disrupts learning, damage school property, and poses health risks. This flood in our school is causing either to suspend classes or make the schedule half day instead of full day. This is the reason why students can learn anything if people wade into the flood. They getting really sick because the water is full of dirt, germs, and waste according to the Center of Diseases Control, also known as CDC. Having disrupt content and flood water can use wound and infection. Some students and teachers have to take a longer route because the nearest spot to their room is flooded, so they end up arriving late. And one of these, like the flood, isn't just a water. Flood can cause a lot of effects to everyone. So let's help the cleaners in our school to clean this mess. A student should avoid throwing trash into canal or anywhere to keep it being clogged. Let's turn the crisis into a change to protect in our school. Keep education on track and show everyone that Anahasa stands strong no matter how the water rises.